Welcome back in. It is great to see you on this Monday where we had fairly mild feeling conditions, right around 44 degrees with that west-northwest wind at 8 miles per hour with that sun setting in about 25 minutes. We're going to have partly cloudy skies, some high thin clouds overhead, and we'll begin to fall back into the 30s and eventually end up close to, if not just below the freezing mark. And as we scroll into tomorrow morning, right around the upper 20s is what we're going to find as we go through daybreak. Should be a bit frosty first thing on your Tuesday morning. Now we're with coolest right now, lakeshore areas. That lake breeze beginning to push more inland, dropping some areas back into the 30s, still hanging on to 43 in Findlay, 42 in Napoleon, 41 over toward Bryan, and our lakeshore areas, they are considerably cooler from Monroe all the way through Port Clinton out toward Sandusky, right around the mid 30s. Next storm system is going to clearly miss down to the south, but there is some cloud cover advancing into the north. It'll stay partly cloudy for most of the night tonight, and we're looking at dry conditions that will stick around into Tuesday and Wednesday. So where do we stand with our season snowfall? We are still stuck at 9 inches of total snow. That is the entire winter season so far. Typically, we'd be looking at our average snowfall closer to about 25 inches at this point. And this week, we're not expecting any accumulating snow to be falling, which will continue to see that deficit grow over the next 7 days. Highs, they continue to rise this time of the year. We've already hit rock bottom as far as winter's concerned, and look where we go from today, the average high of 37 to March 1st, 42 to April 1st, 55, and you get the trend by May 1st. Yeah, there it is. That spring feeling weather, upper 60s is what we would typically see for an average high. Now, our hour-by-hour forecast, there's that rain-snow mix that's going to be across southern Ohio, generally south of the Ohio River. We'll start Tuesday partly sunny. The breeze will be a little cooler for tomorrow. Highs right around 40 degrees. Mostly to partly cloudy skies will be seen through Tuesday afternoon. Into Wednesday, we're looking at brighter conditions, a lighter breeze, and highs on Wednesday, Valentine's Day, quite nice, reaching back into the 40s. We're going to be dry Wednesday night. Next chance of a rain-snow mix, that's Thursday morning, and we'll pinpoint the time of that. Could be close to daybreak. More chance of a wet snow mix up across southern Michigan. Should stay mainly rain, though, most of the Toledo metro and south. Tonight, another cool night tonight. Could get frosty in many areas, partly to mostly cloudy skies, down to 29 degrees. Highs right around 40 on Tuesday. Partly sunny skies. Will be dry and mild into Wednesday. Valentine's Day, 43 degrees. Mid-40s for Thursday. That quick-moving Clipper system comes in Thursday. Rain-snow mix. Nothing more than a few wet snowflakes across southern Michigan, and not a lot of rain with that, a quarter of an inch or less. A few flurries on Friday, back into the mid-30s, and then a warming trend toward the extended holiday weekend, back into the upper 40s as we get toward President's Day into Monday and Tuesday.
It's funny, after those 60-degree days, it's kind of like, hey, what's going on?
Yeah, Friday, 66 degrees, right? We fall back into the 40s where we're like, boy, is spring ever going to come?
Right.
This is still above average for this time of the year, 37 the average high.
Wait till April. That's the real...
That's
where you really lose hope.
It is part of the trend.
When it's so cold,
We've been saying, yes, winter just really, this is 2 years in a row, it just has failed to show up almost entirely, but we almost see a little bit of a delay in the spring season, really kind of getting into gear, so we'll see what happens this spring season as our overall El Nino weather pattern begins to fade away.
Yeah.